I also see among my clients a lot of people suffering from tensions in the jaw, which are extreme. So some of them, they just wake up in the morning, they have difficulties opening the mouth wide. So this is a real issue, and this has a lot of aesthetic consequences also, because it creates more nasolabial lines. It also makes the mouth like crimpled in the inner face, and it also has a consequence on the volume of the jawline. So aesthetically, having a lot of tension in the jaw has a lot of consequences, and face yoga has an answer through inner mouth massage, because we can really grab all these muscles by going inside the mouth and